your buddy still alive? Just kidding. Just want to get that thing out. This is the F-15C here, and I'm doing a review for Tomytec Ace Combat F-15C Galm2 kit, 144 scale. I'm gonna tell you guys, I always love the Ace Combat series. I played it from 4, 5, Ace Combat 0. From this is from the kit. It's from and 6, and I played Horizon. But I always love the Ace Combat series, and I'm excited for the new game that's coming. The new Ace Combat 7 coming back. Oh, I can't wait for that one to arrive and fly in my F-15s or F-22s. But let's go on with the review. Well, it finally arrived. I could have done the review a lot sooner, but I had to wait for this to show up because it's not included in the kit. I hate it when I do that. Naughty on them. And when it comes with the kit or the instruction manual, it's in Japanese, and you can see the history of the Balkan War and a patch for the Galm emblem, the Ustio Air Force 6 Air Division. Sorry about that. Air Force unit. And it comes with a promo for Ace Combat Infinity. I wish I could have didn't realize this like a couple weeks back that they released an Ace Combat on PS3. If I had known about it, I would have bought it immediately. But they only sell it online, and it's no longer available on PS3 online. Wish they released it on Steam. I'm currently playing the Ace Combat Assault Horizon on Steam right now, and I'd like to have a shout out for the seller. Gave me a green tea for it. Thumbs up on that one. Yeah, it comes with the. Now let's focus on the kit review. It comes with everything, stickers, with the exception of the LED light. The missiles are in there. The pilots are in there. I do appreciate that, because most model kits they do not sell. They don't put on they don't even bother putting the pilots. I hate that one. But it has four types of decals in there. You can put it in. That's optional. But the rest are in there. It's already painted up. Emblems are in there. It's freaking awesome. You might have to glue some of this the aircraft, like the missiles, like for the undercarriage. Let's go under here. Sorry about that. Yeah, you can see the LED lights lighting up. If you can focus, let's do a fragile. Yeah, you can see how to put the LED lights on that. The decals are already falling off in the bottom. Gotta go fix that up. But I wish they just added the decals there so I don't have to deal with it. You have to glue some of the parts. And when if you guys are gonna get this one, I recommend when you assemble this, install this immediately, but separate this away, because this thing takes you can take it apart from there. Just install this little stand in there, because you have to put the light in there and just hook it up. You don't even have to glue it. And here's the LED lights. You can see that there. That's the LED light shining. It's lighting up the aircraft. Now for the kit, if you can't, it's kind of hard to find these days, because they released this a couple years ago. They're gonna charge you a lot on eBay for this, or Amazon. I saw a price on. I was happy to get a good deal on this one. I got this for like $70, and that was my second attempt. My first one was a little bit lesser, but then the sender told me that they're out. But I suspect he saw the price and said, "Oh, I'm gonna charge it up." But I was able to get me a second price, so I was able to they send me this, and yeah, like I said, if I could find me it's really high price. And there's also Galm2, the main player's aircraft, the aka Demon Lord. If you can find, that's gonna be even more harder to find. If I find that one, good luck, because they're charging this a lot. Like I said, charging a lot for this. I see it for like $100 or even $1,000. It's like, what? Crazy. Yeah. It's really expensive for a small aircraft. Might be better off just buying the 1/72nd scale from Hasegawa. By the way, I do have those. I have Demon Lord. I haven't assembled them yet. I'm gonna get me the Solo Wings Pixie, because I have future plans for a future diorama coming out. So stay tuned to that one if I get the time. I think for my review on this one, it's pretty good kit. I just probably got it for a novelty. So with the light coming on there. So this is the Leon Fantasy 60 here, signing off.